Hello, welcome back. This is Rhonda. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And today I have my Boxycharm Premium for the month of July. I know we're 2 days into the month of August, but I wanted to still share this with you because I know I'm seeing a lot of people who are saying they still have not got their box. Maybe, let me look this up. I've seen several of y'all who have said that you still have not gotten your box because of the mail. So I wanted to go ahead and show you this just in case you're one of the ones that are still looking for your box. I'm looking to see Friday the 24th. Okay, this box weighs 2.6 pounds and it is variation 53. So we did get another ugly bag, but I mean, I'm still not, I know a lot of people are really upset about getting these bags. I'm not upset about it because the rest of the bag is so nice and so worth the $35 that these boxes, that the box costs, that I'm not upset about this. I will give this to my niece or something, put a few pretty things in it because the little pom-poms, I'm sure she would really love that. And that retails for $20. Of course, we know that's really not worth $20, but it is a nice plastic if you're wanting to like put bathing suit or something in it after you went swimming to keep it from getting the rest of your clothes from getting wet. And this is my choice item. This is the Brow Bar by Rima. Bombshells, get ready for your close-up. With Brow Bar by Rima's Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Drama Queen, each palette comes with a bronzer, translucent powder, 2 shades of blush, 2 shades of highlighter, 4 shades of eyeshadow, and a brush. A complete look ready to go all in a beautiful gold compact. And it retails for $45. This is a thing, yes, I wouldn't pay $45 for this, but it still makes the box worth it because I would probably pay $25 for it. There's all the pretty colors and the brush. Let's see here. Look at the pretty green. I'm going to have to try this out. Let's see. There are the eyeshadows. Let me see if I can find an unswatched part of my arm. Ooh, I like that green. I'm going to have to try this soon. Look how pretty. I'm going to have to try this and do a video on this really soon. And I'm assuming that, I'm not sure, actually sure that's pretty. I guess those are highlighters for, depending on what skin tone you are. That would be way too dark for, but it would make a good, probably a good eyeshadow. And then we have, I'm not sure, are these the blushes right here? I'm not sure what those are, because that, is that a bronzer, I would say. So I would say these small ones are your blushes. Of course, you can't really see them, but I'm sure they could be built up. And then there's the white. That must just be an all-over face powder. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I think it's really pretty packaging. Again, that retails for $45. And then we got the toner. I don't mind getting this again because I really liked the other one. And I had 2 premiums. I was going to cancel this one, but I went ahead and got it because I figured it was worth it just for the few items that I knew I would probably get, and the items that I don't want I can either give away or put in a future giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So that is the Bitter Essence Toner. It retails for $95. I'm not going to be surprised by that, seeing that I've already gotten one and I know that it retails for very high. It says the Bitter Green Essence Toner is packed with 33 different green vegetables extracts, including artichoke, broccoli, and basil, that will hydrate and purify your skin, helping to smooth unwanted texture. This mega dose of antioxidants will nourish the skin while protecting it from premature aging. I love subscription boxes, particularly this one, because there's a lot of things in these boxes that I would never spend $95 for a toner. I'm really thankful that I get it and I can use it, and that'll last me a good long time, but I would never spend $95 on a toner. So I just really love getting these boxes and getting to try things that I would never, under normal circumstances, do. Let's see, the next thing I got is a Laura Geller Line in Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. Create killer eye looks that stun with intense, bold lines and graphic cream kohl effects. With the Line in Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner, a sleek, sexy, smoky eye look is only strokes away, and this retails for $24. And look how huge that is. So this end is just a eyeliner. Try not to go too. Look how, I mean, the end is really huge, like a magic marker, but it's got the teeny tiny point where I'm wondering you could probably, yeah, you could do it harder to get a thicker line if you wanted it. So that's the black end. And then this is the brown end that is like a pencil. I like that. So there's that. I don't really use liquid liners anymore since I've gotten older because I got the hooded eyes, but I'm still happy with that. I've been wanting a brown liner. And then I got the lipsticks, a 3-pack, and let's see, where is it at? The Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Trio. You know what you want, and they're not cheap. Everything has its price, but gorgeous lips are priceless. Grab our reds ranging from deep burgundy to pink nude to cover all aspects of your daily conquest. And these retail for $39.99. So there's a pack of 3. Let's see what we got here. Creamy matte lipstick. This is in Full House. Look how pretty the packaging is. It's a burgundy color. And there's that. I like that. And then we got Here to Slay. This one looks like it's a red color. Of course, it's the same packaging. Yep, look at that pretty red color. So let's put that there. It's very smooth. I like these. And then we got Sunset Boulevard. And that's what that one looks like. So those are the 3 of these that come in this one. Again, that retails for $39.99. And then I got, I'll put that up in a minute. Then I got another Morphe palette. I'm not going to open this. Y'all know, I think I already put it up. I was going to say, it's actually what I've got on my eyes right now because I had opened the other one. And I'm going to try to get that video downloaded, but probably not before this one is. But this one will either go in a giveaway. I'm not sure yet because I know a lot of y'all already get these boxes, and I don't want to send as a giveaway to something that's things that y'all already have gotten in your boxes. So I'm going to put that up, and when I do my giveaway, I will discuss with whoever wins what kind of, if they got boxes or whatever, so I won't send box items of things that you've already gotten. So let's see. I didn't add this up. Again, this was 53, and I don't, oh, there it is. And we got, let's see, we got the Morphe Manny palette that retails for $20. And then we got the Bitter Essence toner that retails for $95. We got the Trio lipstick that retails for $39.99. And we got the Laura Geller double liner thing for $24. We got the Brow Bar by Rima for $45. And we got the Neon Jelly pouch for $20. So my box retails for $243.99 is what it would retail for. So that's everything I got in my Boxycharm Premium. Let's see. Yep. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And I appreciate you very much. Also, please remember to hit the thumbs up button for me. And until next time, I will see you all very soon. Love you all. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.